Hello, Facebook friends and family. I am here today, Corinna Daninger with Keller Williams, to talk to you about the most spectacular listing coming up on the market later this week. So today's Saturday, so give me till about Tuesday and you'll see it go live. But where I'm at right now is in Bay Meadows, which is off of Wickham, and I'm trying to spin this over so you can see the actual development. And I think this happened once before with Facebook where it does not want to switch. So let me turn it this way. So over here at Bay Meadows, it's a brand new development. It was just put in about a year and a half ago. So this home is literally brand new construction. It's been barely lived in. If I could just get this to flip over, I would be much happier. But this development is spectacular. Behind me, which I'm trying to go backwards at the moment, is the gated community. And we are literally across the street from Eastern Florida College. You walk out of the development, you can be at Starbucks within about 4 feet. You have Subway, all sorts of great shops within walking distance. We're in a great school neighborhood over here. We have beautiful homes that were all just put up in the last year. So since we're going to go this way, I'm going to try to bear with me as I'm going backwards today on the camera. Let's go into this home. This home is 2,300 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. And it is high ceilings, great walls, beautiful architecture. This is a vintage home. Let's see if we can get this light package on. There you go, make it a little brighter for you. And so here we are. And this is the first bathroom that we're coming into. Kind of give you a view of what's going on in here. Beautiful, nice, light, bright, beautifully decorated. Great choices from the owners. Oh, we're still going backwards, so sorry about that. But this bedroom is nice and big. It has, this would be bedroom number 1. Nice closet space. We're going to move on over here to bedroom number 2. And in bedroom number 2 has really pretty windows. I love those windows. Great deep closet in here. Nice size ceilings. And actually these rooms have never been used. So you're literally getting a brand new construction home that has been so gently lived in. One of my favorite things is this hallway, and she has this hallway so sweetly decorated. Wait till you see the rest of the house. I'm going to try one more time to turn this around, so bear with me for one more minute. I'm having a few little... There we go. I think we finally got it. Maybe. There we go. We're in business. Okay, so let me show you this foyer because this is like such a fabulous entranceway into the home. And then we come to this, one of my favorite floor plans, which is this great big open great room. The kitchen is to die for. If you like to cook, bake, entertain, or just bring in takeout, there's plenty of counter space for that too. Huge double door pantry. It's very deep, lots and lots of space in this kitchen. Beautiful cabinets. Love the countertops that they chose. And then you have your dining room off the side. And then your living room, beautiful lights, beautiful windows, and then all the way around. When you come on through over here, you'll see this wonderful indoor laundry room. And let me show you a little special thing about this laundry room. If you look way up high, keep going. You're gonna go all the way up. You see that way up high? That is your HVAC, your air conditioning and heating. And that is out of the way. So just slap a little ladder there, change the filter out once a month, and it is not under your feet or taking up valuable floor space. Now we're entering into this beautiful master bedroom. So pretty. And really, really big actually. And then we'll go into the master bath. In the master bath, you have double sinks, beautiful cabinets, tile floors, walk-in shower, and your garden tub. Oops, the phone has a mind of its own. And a very big, deep walk-in closet behind that door. So this house is not going to last long because there's so much new construction going on right now. And who wants to wait for new construction when you can move into an already just built home with great choices and colors. The tile, look at this tile floor. Look how pretty that is. Very, very, very pretty choices. Great lights. The ceiling fans are upgraded. The owners chose some really great features, what they put in after they closed. And unfortunately, they now have to move. So we need to get this house sold for them. And let me show you, you are really close to Wickham and you don't hear anything. It's so quiet. It's Saturday. People are running around. You don't hear anything. Great backyard, great views, wonderful place to be. If you want to raise a family, if you're a snowbird or just starting out, this house works for everybody. And you have great neighbors. And like I said, you're right across the street from Eastern Florida State College. You are literally 10 minutes to the beach. You're right by Patrick Causeway. You're 45 minutes to Orlando Airport, 15 minutes to Melbourne Airport. You have ducks floating around in the pond back here. Very cute. And you have lots of shopping and dining all right here. So don't wait. Make your appointment today. Please share this out so we can get more people out here to come see this beautiful, beautiful home. And I'll see you on the next time. This is Corinna Daninger with Keller Williams. Have a great day.